Hey! Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make Fiesta paper flowers. Flowers and fiestas are both very important to our Mexican culture, and most of the time they go hand in hand. Take Day of the Dead for example. The marigold flower, or how we know it here, cempasúchil flower, is one of the most important elements of this celebration. Here in Mexico, we love everything colorful and everything vibrant, so why don't we go ahead and make these flowers the most colorful that we can. Let's take 6 pieces of scalloped tissue paper and start folding them accordion style. Make sure the round tips are aligned with each other, but don't worry too much if they're not 100% perfect. There's 2 sides to your soon-to-be flowers. One of them is the closed side. See how the paper opens on this side? This one is the open side. Take your wire, bend it on the open side like this, and then give it a few good spins to secure it. And now what you're gonna do, or what I like to do, is kind of open it like that, so it starts looking like a flower. And then you're just gonna start pulling these up until you get the shape of a big and puffy flower. Let's start doing it. Just be a little careful because the paper is so thin and delicate that if you pull too hard, it will definitely rip. That side is, oh, there we go. Yay! We are done making our Fiesta paper flowers, and now all we need is a Fiesta. So where's the Fiesta at? Let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.